Hi patrons. I just wanted to make a quick video to let you know how much I appreciate you supporting me because it makes all the difference. I've been able to develop some new classes this year while not teaching quite so much because of your generosity. So just to thank you, first of all, I thought I'd give you a quick tour around my office, which is in its normal state of disarray, so that you can see. Here are my handmade baskets up above. Let's see if I can switch this around. Maybe not. Okay. So these cupboards show all of my samples that I've knitted over the years that I use for teaching. And then my huge array of knitting, weaving, and spinning books. And my mess down here, which is always there when I'm getting ready to teach. I have my suitcases out. I pack them. I go off and teach. I come back, unpack, and leave them there ready to pack again. But anyway, I'm about ready to do my last workshop for the year. And here's where I do my, pack my orders. Here's my desk and my lunch. So thanks again. I can't tell you how much it means to me that you are so supportive. And what I wanted to do is send you my latest handout that I made. It's 40 pages long. You may not be interested. It's about the Icelandic lopapeysa. And it is this kind of work that you are directly responsible for, that I've had the time to do the research and practice all the different techniques and incorporate them into a class, which I taught at my retreat this year, and it was well received. Thank you, thank you, thank you so much. Bye.